Hello everyone. Many of us they having protein deficiency or weakness or many health issues. When we visit a doctor, they will advise to have daily one egg, right? Especially in protein deficiency or calcium deficiency, they will advise us to have egg on daily basis, right? But for pure vegetarians, they can't have even egg also. Or then few people will be allergic or to egg. They won't like egg. So such people to increase their nutrition level, to increase calcium and protein, what to do will be a big question, right? Especially in kids in pure vegetarian homes, all will advise to give daily basis egg, but the parents will not be willing to give egg, right? Instead of egg, these vegetables they can start in the kids' routine diet, or even the people who are having deficiency of calcium and protein can start these vegetables on daily basis in your daily routine diet, so that it will give a nutrition how much the egg will give. The alternative vegetables instead of egg, I'm going to explain in my video today. Welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medical. This is Dr. Meenakshi. So vegetable which is equal to egg. The first one is broccoli. This broccoli is filled with proteins and low quantity of fat. And also this broccoli is filled with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which are equal to nutrition of egg. The next vegetable is peas. These peas are rich in vegetable protein and fiber and is low in fat and cholesterol. And also these peas are loaded with other nutritious things like manganese, copper, phosphorus and folate. So it would be a best alternative for egg. Our next vegetable is sweet corn. This sweet corn meets your daily requirement of protein, and it have no sources of fat. It also have rich source of thiamine, vitamin B6 and vitamin C, and also it is filled with folate. So by having sweet corn on your daily basis, you can reach your requirements of protein as egg. Our next vegetable is cauliflower. This versatile cauliflower is rich in protein and low in fat, and with this it has many nutritional benefits to our body. Next vegetable is spinach. This spinach is rich in vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C. With this, it is a powerhouse of nutrition. It supports our immune health, our eye health, and also it supports the whole body for well-being. And another vegetable which is rich source of protein and equal to the nutrition of egg is mushroom. Mushroom is a very rich food and very tastiest food of vegetarians, which changes the taste of recipes. Our next is avocado. Although avocado is known for its high amount of fat, it also contains the requirements of protein and also the fiber which is necessary for our body. And the next diet is peanut. This peanut, though we neglect it, actually these peanuts have high source of protein. If we have on daily basis, the protein content present in it is equal to the chicken recipe. So by having a peanut on daily basis, we can fulfill our protein requirement. So these are the diets which we can use on daily basis to increase our nutrition in the body instead of egg. If you are not willing to have egg to fulfill your nutrition deficiency, then you can alternatively you can use this diet on your daily basis and you can be healthy. If you like the video, kindly share with your friends and relatives, and also share this video especially with persons who are not interested or who won't like to eat egg, but they want the protein sources to their body. If you are seeing my video for first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is Dr. Meenakshi. Thank you.